like and subscribe. Free crypto, bro.
What's up, my crypto legends? This video I'll be talking about MexC, one of the best crypto exchanges in the world that has literally the lowest trading fees on the market. Right now, MexC is giving out an exclusive bonus for all of my viewers. Just scan this QR code, sign up and claim your rewards instantly. Spots are limited, so don't miss it. Guys, let's take a look at the exchange. First of all, MexC is not some tiny exchange, okay? It has over 40 million users. It has been founded in the year of 2018, and I have to say they have quickly risen up to the ranks. So one of the key things about MexC that makes them I would say unique compared to other exchanges is the number of coins that they have listed, okay? So as you can see here on the screen, MexC definitely has the biggest number of spot coins that you can trade on the market.
Welcome to MexC, where entering the world of crypto is as simple as a tap on your screen. Since 2018, we've connected over 40 million users from 170 countries, building a vast and inclusive platform. Start your trading journey in under a minute with just 3 steps. Explore over 3,000 listed tokens, trade 100 pairs with 0 fees, and uncover unlimited on-chain opportunities on DEX Plus. Here, you get rewarded just for being with us. Simply hold a Mex to get 2 to 5 free airdrops every day and enjoy up to 500% APR. With future fees as low as 0%, you get to keep more of what you earn. Our world-class liquidity ensures you get lower slippage, better prices, and an unmatched trading experience. Ready to experience the future of trading? Join MexC today and discover why we are your easiest way to crypto.
Guys, MexC is so sexy, I have to say, okay? So as I have said, they support over 2,500 spot trading pairs. This also includes new listings and meme coins that you can't find on Binance or Coinbase. You can also invest or trade precious metals like gold and silver. They also have tokenized stocks, so you can invest in Nvidia, Amazon, Tesla, Apple, and so on. Regarding deposits, you can buy crypto via fiat, Apple Pay, Google Pay. You can also buy crypto peer-to-peer. If you want to deposit crypto, they support almost all of the available cryptos, most popular ones, and basically all the existing networks. So really nice. You can stake your crypto on MexC. They offer a really nice APR on different cryptos, both flexible and fixed staking terms, so really nice, I have to say. Overall, guys, I have to say, honestly, this is a great crypto exchange, okay, both for beginners and for pro traders. It has really many amazing stuff you can check out. Let's check out the rewards hub. So first, for all the new users, you can get lots of bonus USDT just for doing simple tasks like downloading the app on your phone, signing up, and so on, okay? The main reason why traders use MexC are their fees. Spot trading fees are extremely low. If you trade often, fees destroy profits, and this is where MexC actually shines. If you like trading altcoins or catching altcoins early, this is the ideal place for that. And just to remind you one more time, MexC is doing an exclusive event for all of you guys, so the first 40 users that sign up will get a $30 bonus, okay? So this is first come, first served, okay? Limited time, so make sure to grab this bonus. Thanks a lot for watching, my dear crypto legends, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.